What's up, everybody? Back at you for another episode of the Trucker D Show. Yes, we went to Knott's Berry Farm again, but hey, we had season passes, so what do you expect? It was the last time that we were gonna go before the end of the year. It was the Knott's Merry Christmas, so it was all Christmas themed. It was awesome, and no, I'm not wearing a hat, so don't judge me. Anyway, it was fun, but let me tell you, it was packed. When I say packed, I mean packed, like worse than Disneyland packed. It was crazy, okay? But let me tell you, the Snoopy Ice Show, best part of the whole day, okay? But waiting to get into the show, worst part of the whole day. Take a look at this right here. Take a look at this video. Yeah, somebody passed out. So what happened was, everyone was in single file line waiting to get into the doors, and a lady came by and said, there's no line, everyone just like herded like cattle all to the front, and everyone was on top of each other. Even Crystal was having a hard time. She had to go off to the side, and people were nice enough to give her some space. She felt like she was gonna pass out. It was totally unacceptable how they herded everyone like that, and they left us like that for 45 minutes to an hour waiting on top of each other. It was crazy. Besides that, it was a really good day. Kids had fun. This is going to be the last Knott's Berry Farm video of this year. Somewhere else next year. Season passing somewhere else next year. So, excited about that. And there'll be different videos next year for the kids' birthdays. With that being said, let's get into this week's video. What's up, you guys? We are going to Knott's Berry Farm.
No.
We got a special.
Merry
Merry Farm. Say hi.
Hi.
And then we got the booger.
Preston. Did he fall asleep?
We can't see him. We are on our way to Knott's Berry Farm. I'm getting some breakfast. Take you guys along for the ride. It's gonna be awesome. Let's go. Oh yeah. Also,
Let's go. Let's go.
you can check out her channel up here.
a tumbleweed. Now listen here. If I can't rob these folks, I can't afford to buy you no Christmas presents.
Why don't you just steal me a Christmas present?
Oh, I can't do that. It's Christmas time.
What are you gonna get me?
Well, I was thinking about some frankincense.
How about some dollars and cents?
Common sense.
And that's all, folks. That is our trip to Knott's Merry Farm. It was awesome. It was fun. Left out on Sunday, went to Salt Lake City. Got back last night. Got to spend some time at home. Gonna be home for Christmas, so it's all working out this year. So that's awesome. Now, gotta get back here to editing this video for you guys. Don't forget, make sure to subscribe, like, and share. Catch you guys on the next video. Peace.
Just run away with my dog.